holding your mouse button down over the tab until you see Photoshop switch to your other image on the screen. Dragging the photo onto the other tab. Dragging the photo up onto the other Photos tab. Hold until Photoshop switches to the other photo, then still with your mouse button held down. Drag down into this other document. A white highlight border will appear around the edges of the document, dragging the second image down into the first image's document. A white highlight border appears when you drag down into the other document. Before you release your mouse button, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Then release your mouse button. Adding the Shift key tells Photoshop to center the image inside the document. And now we can see my storm photo centered in front of the other photo. Both photos are now in the same document. Both photos are now part of the same document. If we look in my Layers panel, we see that Photoshop placed my storm photo on its own layer named Layer 1. Above the photo of the couple, the Layers panel in Photoshop CS6. Each photo sits on its own layer. Step 2. Resize and reposition the photos as needed. Since my storm photo is going to be used as the bottom half of my movie poster, I need to move it down to the bottom of the document. I also need to resize it. And we can do both of these things using Photoshop's free transform command. I'll make sure I have Layer 1 selected highlighted in blue in the Layers panel. Since